Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, angles and pairs of angles. In this chapter, we are going to learn first the interior and exterior of an angle. So, look here in this figure. This is the angle AWB. Okay, some green points are here, some red points are here, and some black points. The black points are on the angle, okay, or you can say on the arm of the angle. Okay, now these points R and XC, these are to the interior plane of the angle AWB. So these points are called interior points. Okay, now point T, point U, point Q, point V and Y, these are the exterior of the plane of the angle AWB. So these are called exterior points. And point AWGB, so these are on the arm, or you can say on the angle, on the arms of the angle. Okay, so these are the answers of the first question in practice set number 15. Observe the figure and complete the table. So points in the interior, okay, means inside the angle, simple way. Exterior means outside the angle, and points on the arms of the angles means the points which are on the arms of the angle. Okay, so that you have to write now. Just I told all here in the color code also I gave. You can solve this very easily. Okay, now we'll move to the second question here. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. Okay, now students, adjacent angle. Okay, the angle which have a common, the two angles which have common arm, a common vertex and separate interior, called adjacent angle. Okay, so these definitions, all these things I explain in notes. Okay, so read the notes carefully. Now the first here, this figure and this figure, we have to write name of the pairs of the adjacent angles in the figure. Okay, so I'm telling you again, adjacent angles means having one common arm and one common vertex and separate interiors. Okay, now let's see here. Name of the pairs of the adjacent angles in the figure. Okay, angle, first we'll start from here. Angle BNA, angle BNA is the adjacent angles of angle BNA, BNC, BNC. Okay, the next angle, angle ANC, angle ANC is the adjacent angle of A and B, A and B. And now third one, angle CNA, angle CNA is adjacent to angle CNB, CNB. Okay, so if you see here, BN common arm, here AN common arm, here CN and CN common arm. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the second figure, student, here also we have to write the pair of adjacent angle. So these are the three. In the first one, these are three pairs. Here, see students, if you see the properly here, angle RTS, and angle here one more ray they draw. Okay, so with the ray, see here PQT. Okay, angle PQT is adjacent to angle PQR. PQR, here is only one pair adjacent angle. Why? Because here PQ is a common arm and having a common vertex Q. Okay, so this is the answer of the second figure. Now students, we will move to the third question. They ask, are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. Okay, so here in this figure there are some angles are given. Okay, and downside 4 pairs of angles are given. What we have to do, we have to see the angles according to our definition of adjacent angle. If you found this pair is perfect for the definition of adjacent angle, then you have to write this for example, angle PMQ and angle RMQ are the adjacent pair of adjacent angle. And they said if not, for example, now we'll see the second one. If not, then state the reason why this pair of angle is not a adjacent angle pair. So we have to write the reason. Let's see the first one. Angle PMQ. Where is angle PMQ? PM and Q means this angle. An angle RMQ. An angle RMQ. Angle RMQ. Okay. So student, PMQ and RMQ. If you see properly, so this one RMQ and PMQ. So here QM is a common arm and having common vertex M, and these are in the interior side. So here we have to write angle PMQ and angle RMQ are the pair of adjacent angle. Okay. Now student, we'll see the second one. Now in the second, here the pair, we'll see the second pair. Angle RMQ. Angle RMQ. RMQ is this one. And angle SMR. SMR. This SMR. Okay, so angle RMQ and angle SMR. If you see, this pair is not a adjacent angle pair. Now here students, they ask, are the following pairs of adjacent angles? If not, then state the reason. Okay, so we have to write the reason. Here are not the pair of adjacent angle because I'll write here, they do not separate in the what is that in the definition. Okay, they do not have separate interiors. Okay, if you see angle RMQ and angle SMR or RMS, so they didn't have a separate interior. Okay, they didn't have the common arm also and vertex also. So that's why you have to write the reason. Angle RMQ and angle SMR are not the pair of adjacent angle because they do not have separate interior. Now students, for homework, see, I told you this one, I already explained this one. Now at least these two you have to solve for homework. If you found in these two, third and fourth example, if there is a pair of adjacent angle, you have to write pair of adjacent angle, and if not, then same reason you have to write. What is the the reason? Because they do not have separate interiors. Okay, that's way you have to solve. Now students, one thing I have to tell you, I give the notes. Now the chapter before this, the SCF and LCM chapter, what you have to do, complete all the practice set, okay, then write on new page our chapter name, angles and pairs of angle. Then whatever the notes I gave you, first write the notes and then start this practice set number 15. Okay, students, time to time I am reminding you, every time whatever I give the practice set, in that same week you have to complete the practice set, and if you have any doubt you have to try to solve that examples and send me. If you have any doubt, then whatever you solve, that you have to take the photo and send me on WhatsApp. Okay, whatever your queries, take the photos and send me on WhatsApp. Okay, still students, take care, bye bye.